Hi guys, what is this? Are we going air traveling? I've got the whole bag and a whole kit to show you. We review Nomad Cosmetics travel kit. Pretty much this is a new collection and we're going to be trying all of these things and creating the simple neutral eye look just ready for takeoff, pretty much. So my name is Elaina. You can find me on Well Presents Plus on Painted with Raven Season 2 available right now. You can find all kind of creative makeup looks, celebrity transformations, face painting, drag looks on my channel. Just check it out. So we're doing this in this video today. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and let's get right into this. So first of all, I just want to thank you, Nomad Cosmetics and Felicia, who's the owner. Thank you so much for sending me this makeup kit for travel. I love it. I love the collection. I love the concept. I think the passenger ticket and baggage check. It's almost like my favorite part about it. I don't know. I just love the whole thing because it just came from traveling. It even has a seat number, flight number NA1, seat 01A. Cabin class, first class, first class. Oh, I'm traveling first class. From Nomad to you. I love that. That's awesome. So thank you so much for sending this over. Just as a disclaimer, this is PR and this is gifted. So I'm going to review the whole thing. So you'll see every product review. So as you might know, I just came from vacation. If that matters, I mean, I just traveled by air. So this is kind of very relative. And of course, Murphy's Law, when I was away in Europe, seeing my mom. I'm from Moldova. If you don't know, I'm Russian. If you cannot tell by my accent, I'm Russian. So I went there to see her. I haven't seen her in like 5 years because pandemic. We were gonna go right like at the pandemic, and then we had to cancel the tickets, and we just couldn't make it after that. So it's the first time my husband and I went to see her, went to New York. It was like a 2 destinations. It was amazing. But as I was away, I was getting all kind of PR, Murphy's Law, of course. And I got the Nomad Cosmetics, the new Air Frequent Flyer collection. I just love the concept. And I was thinking, dang it. I wish I had this for my trip because it would be perfect, right? But, you know, we're going to be traveling right now. So I like that there has a tag and it says Nomad Air Frequent Flyer Collection 4-piece beauty care essentials. It's almost like a luggage tag. I love that. You know, everything's so smart. It's so well thought out. I'm enjoying everything. And we got a ticket, or is it a boarding pass? It says Nomad Air Beauty Care Essentials Collection, new line of skincare and makeup products from Nomad Cosmetics, dreamed up in hair. I love it actually. The face cream is a weightless hydration cream. It blends replenishing shea butter and jojoba oil with moisture lock-in sodium hyaluronate and dimethicone to hydrate and flourish. So this is extra large size, and this is what it looks like. And this is $49. Kind of pricey, but this is pricey for drugstore products because I'm a drugstore hoe. I'm going to Walmart right now after this video, so you know where I shop. But this is great for indie brand, you know. So and it's a good size. I mean, you get a lot. Very creamy, very moisturizing. No scent. All natural, no parabens, no mineral oil, none of that. And we got face mist. And this is light refreshing mist that blends antioxidant-rich rosemary water and moisture-attracting sodium PCA to refresh and revitalize. And this is 100 milliliters size as well. And hydrating mist is $22. This smells very nice. It's very moisturizing on my face. You'll see when I apply. And next we got the Lip Salve multi-purpose healing balm that blends conditioning rosehipe, cottonseed, and jojoba seed oils with soothing sea berry fruit and camellia flower extracts to smooth and protect. That's 25 grams. It looks like this, and this is $12. So this one is actually my favorite scent-wise, and it's very moisturizing on the lips. Smells like rose oil. If you don't like roses, I imagine you won't like it, but it smells good. I love it. So, and we got the travel palette. Travel eyeshadow palette with 6 rich shades. curated to create versatile looks from subtle to bold. 3 mattes and 3 shimmers, extra slim portable case with mirror, perfect for travel. I gotta agree with everything. You'll see me apply. Even I did almost bitched and moaned about like a black, but the brown is really deep. That's what it looks like. And it's a very small palette. Perfect size for travel, really is. So the palette is $22, and you can buy the whole collection with a tote bag, and the whole collection is $79. I looked at their website. This is what it goes for, and includes this bag. So everything is available for separate sales except for the bag. I think you have to buy like the whole collection to receive the bag because it comes inside. Makes sense, right? So let me swatch this real quick. I mean, it's only 6 shades. We can do it live, right? I'll speed it up. So this is Swatches. Let me zoom in a little bit. There you go. I mean, the brown you can see is really deep. I mean, my swatches are the shitses. I always say that, but I'm not good with swatches. My swatches always come out like a child art. I can do art on my face, but not my arm, obviously. And the shimmers, I mean, I love the shimmers. So creamy. I mean, it's like butter and so pigmented, really metallic. This one I'm not a fan of. I'm just being honest. I just don't like dark shimmers personally. I wish this was a black matte instead, and it would have been perfect to my taste. But, you know, what I like is not what the majority of people like, and this is, I think, is gonna appeal to the wide majority for the everyday looks. So this is it, the whole collection. I'm gonna show you real quick how the cream goes on, and mist, and eyeshadow. I mean, the eyeshadow takes like 5 minutes. You know, it's a real simple, bam bam, only 3 colors and mattes. So let's get right into this. So long time no see. Let's create this very basic makeup look. It's funny, I'm back on YouTube, and what am I doing? Neutrals. But, you know, we have to. Because guess what I was doing during my trip? Neutrals. I mean, even me, when I go on vacation, I'm not walking around like a parakeet everywhere. Although it's very tempting, you know. So I'm gonna go for Fly the Skies. And we're gonna go for dark brown. I mean, it's pretty simple. There is only 6 shades, so obviously you go to up and away, and let's take off. You can tell, or I don't know if you can, how much I enjoy this theme. Because first of all, we just had a great vacation. And because I saw my mom and we traveled, so it was great. And secondly, because my husband is a pilot, so it's kind of near and dear. I'm using the same brush for Let's Take Off, which is a lighter shade. It's not the lightest shade possible to go under the brow bone, so I would use powder. Like if the palette is not light enough for your skin tone, I usually go to just any powder, like it has a little bit of tone to it. CoverGirl Simply Ages. It's not full coverage, just like kind of like has a little tint to it. So you see, you can really highlight your brow bone and blend out the light medium shade. I'm not being careful around the eye because it's a really simple look. It's pretty much shimmer over whatever you have there, and it's gonna work because it's very simple. You're on vacation, you're on a trip, and you need to move quickly. I'm gonna take a small brush and do the under eye the same way, dark to medium brown. I think it's a very smart idea, this palette, because it would be just enough. The only thing I wish, this dark shimmer, to me it's kind of like it's too dark. I would have a black there, it would be perfect. But not everybody uses black all the time, so I'll take my several seats. And we're going to highlight the brow bone with the lightest shade, Follow the Sun. Now these are pretty shimmers. And I would say shimmers are the bomb here. Real metallic, real creamy, real pigmented. Just this shimmer alone is like, oh, makes me so happy. And the same thing is gonna be in the inner corner. which I'm probably gonna add some more after the foundation. And on the eyelid, I'm just gonna go with Fine Wings. Again, creamy, creamy, creamy. The brush picks it up easy. Didn't have to clean the eyeshadow underneath because it covers everything. And the point is that you can do it fast, because you don't want to mess with makeup on vacation, waste of time. I was still on full beat on vacation, believe it or not. You probably believe it. My husband would be like, in the morning, he'll get up early in the hotel, and he's like, come on, just do simple makeup, I'm hungry. I'm like, this is simple makeup. What do you think that is? So before we move on to the rest of my makeup, this is pretty much it. I just put gel liner, brown one, in the waterline, and just a regular eyeliner, and blended very well. So I gotta say, even the brown is not black, it blends with a black eyeliner. I still wish it was black, but you know, I rest my case. So here's our face mist. And this is really cute. The packaging looks like this, Nomad hair. I just love the whole Nomad hair. It's kind of like a retro at the same time. I don't know, has something about it. It says how to use Spritz Me. Shake while close eyes and spray in the face from arm's length. Take care not to spritz your seatmate. Which is funny. Alright, so I'm not sure how much spritz is gonna land on my shirt. I need to go to Walmart after this, so I'm gonna cover myself up with an old t-shirt just to make sure. Alright, so the smell is very nice actually. It feels very hydrating in the face immediately. It's a little aggressive, not in the way that the droplets are thick. The droplets are thin, the mist is great, but it kind of like comes at you with force. But I guess it's a spray, duh. I just never use spray anymore. I don't know, I feel like I don't need to set my face. It usually lasts, so I haven't been using spray. But it feels very nice. It feels almost like slightly sticky now. It's probably a great base, but we're gonna also use the lotion. Maybe not on my forehead. So this is the face cream. And this tin container kind of gives you a little retro look. It's a lot of natural oils, but with my face, I don't take face creams that have oil in them very well. Usually I break out, and my skin isn't oily. That's a fun part. I'm not even oily, but I break out just like that. If I use anything natural, my face doesn't like natural. My face likes fix the house with all chemicals. So you use usually oil-free. But we're gonna give this a go. And I'm gonna be a guinea pig, and if I don't forget, I'm gonna try to pin a comment like 2 days later after this video to see if I actually broke out from this. I'm just gonna apply lightly. Yeah, I don't think there's any scent. I thought there was, but it's a very pleasant consistency, very creamy. Yeah, it's very pleasant. It doesn't feel like it's very oily, because those oils that in those creams, they're actually made for skincare, so usually they're not like super greasy, but you never know. I'm gonna let you know in the comments if it's sensitive skin safe or not. Usually I look for non-comedogenic, and usually it does not break me out like Neutrogena or other things, but if it doesn't say non-comedogenic, I'm like, uh-oh. But it's natural. So we shall see. And we also have a lip balm, lip salve, excuse me. I never use any lip products just because I'm lazy and I'm kind of ignore my lips. So this looks like this. This smells real nice actually. This does have a scent. So I'm going to use Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation, a luminous one, and we'll see how it sits. I'm not going to use any more primer. I'm just going to see how this cream sits with foundation. So I'll be back with a full face of makeup, and we shall see how this goes. So this is the finished look. Very, very natural. I used ABH foundation. I feel like it sits over that cream real well. I didn't use any primer for a reason, just on purpose. and I don't see any separation or anything. So it seems like that cream is not that greasy. I mean, greasy is probably not a good word, but you know, because it has oils, right? But its foundation sits on it well. I mean, everything looks pretty much perfect. But my skin takes foundation really easily, so I'm not a really good example. So if you want to see other reviews, you might want to check out some other more oily skin people. But for me, it works. I'm going to find out if my skin breaks out from the oils in a couple of days, and if I don't forget, I'm gonna post a pinned comment on this video. So we'll see if you guys have sensitivity, so you have to be careful. But so far, so good. Looks great. It still has a little shine, like my face has dewiness to it. I tried not to set it like too much. I've been kind of going easy on powder because like I love my powder. I'm whacking that powder on. And I've been kind of going easy and light. And I like the shine, I like a little glossiness. So I love everything about this collection so far. So let me know what you guys think. Did you get the collection? I really enjoyed the bag. I know it's a simple thing, but it does look like some kind of aviation, like almost like a flight attendant bag or something. I don't know, just like I'm living for this. Maybe because my husband is a pilot, like I'm really enjoying the aviation stuff. So Nomad there. I love all the compartments there. Obviously, when I pack my makeup bag, it's like this large. It's like this thick. Because I pack a lot of SHIT. I mean, I need all my basics, but my basics like a lot of stuff. So, I mean, and the palette is small and it's all you need, really. Even the brown works for me, although I love my black, but it worked out so well. So this palette is all you need for like everyday looks. And that comes from an extra person. That would work for me on vacation. If I get like a single pan of black eyeshadow, I'm set. The lip salve is really nice, and again, I can't compare it with anything else because I'm not a lip care person. I probably should care for my lips, but I'm really lazy. Like I don't use anything. I just like moisturize my face. I kind of go over my lips. That's about it. But this is so much better. So I'm gonna try to remember to use this, and the scent is amazing. This one has that rose tip, and it smells like roses. If you don't like roses, probably not gonna like it, but I love it. I love stinky things in a good way. And the face cream is nice. So far, I like it. I like that you can get the rest of it. Like some people are commenting, you can get the rest of the cream. It's not a pump, so you can use every little bit of it. So the face mask I really love, actually. This one is very light, but it feels very moisturizing, actually. So I really, really love this one. I love everything about this collection. Not a typical for Nomad. If I'm not mistaken, I don't think I ever seen them put out any skincare. So let's see how this goes. I love so far, I love it. So hope, my fingers crossed, my face doesn't freak out. But I love this so far. So let me know what you guys think. Have you picked it up? And what's your favorite product from the collection? And leave a comment, like this video if you enjoyed it. And do subscribe to my channel, ring notification bell so you know when I upload new videos. So thank you all for watching. I love you guys. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!